if we don't connect to a game again, it's gonna be Mikaela's fault since she was in that last one.
Yep.
Cool, I'm in basement.
Yep, this is going to be all my money. Whatever, just buy it. Whatever, just buy it.
Ooh, that was close. Is that LeatherFace over there that I saw running around?
LeatherFace.
I haven't seen him in a hot minute.
Mm-hmm.
Well, he's after Mikaela. I hear revving.
Let's go see if my friend the Loogie is here. He is! Alright. I'm gonna break memory with that.
Oh,
No,
he
it's this
hit
way.
Nia. Yay, we did it. Drop it.
Can I apply for a mentorship yet?
No.
Ooh, I can be a trade mentor. Yes, I can. Apply for mentor certification.
It is LeatherFace!
Alright, trade mentor status acquired. Now I just need...
I'm sorry,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
I was just excited to see you.
1378. I need 122 more commendations, and I can be a full-on mentor.
Bzzz.
I'm excited. Are you excited? Because I'm excited.
I'm excited I got LeatherFace. Hey, I made it back to where I began the game. He's revving up. Rev up those fryers!
No. Put the Maleficus in here.
Donde?
I think I can take away the gay sail as well.
Donde?
Anything else?
Oh, there he is.
Ooh, solstice.
You see nothing, sir. Goodbye, sir. Oh no!
Medicine solstice in. The dragoon stuff, yes. Where is... Where's the Dark Knight? Hello? Game?
You get nothing.
Oh, that's right. It's still part of a set. That's right. So I have to press this button. Okay.
Mikaela, help heal.
There we go. Okay. 1, 2, and 3.
Well, now he's after my butt.
1, 2, and 3.
I pallet dropped him.
1, 2, and 3. And 1, 2, and 3.
We've made poor decisions. Ah!
We don't need to put Jim. Useless.
Ow, he hit me. No, sir. And my first sucker.
Useless.
Yeah.
Still choking?
A little bit.
Still not breathing?
Yep.
Why do I have this? This should not be here. Why do I have this? This should
Thank
not
you,
be here.
Naya. Wanna heal me? Thank you, Naya.
Go.
Ooh, I like her pants. She's got cool suspenders.
Sort.
Oh.
Park finder.
Run! Run! My dude! Why am I being chased? After I just got off the hook, sir?
Yeah, I don't think I'm completing my Wondrous Tales this week, because there's terrible, terrible choices to play.
Oh, Jesus. Hi. Thank you, Naya. You want to finish healing me now?
Well, I hate the look of this. But I do have this, and this looks fantastic.
Oh, Mikaela, you were so close of having your gen done. Why did you stop?
The Inferno,
Thank you, sir.
though. Let me go to my crafting log.
Shiny totem!
Inferno.
Do we want to hit shiny totem?
You always want to hit the shiny totem.
But what if it's bad? I don't
Doesn't
want
matter.
to buddy.
It do not matter.
Alright,
Inferno Cane.
I'm doing it.
It's just a horn. It's idiotic.
No, he's coming.
Arm. Oops.
My guy, are you for real? Well, it's a hex anyways. Wow. Tunnel the shit out of me and now I'm dead.
Is that... While it is fiery, it's not cool.
Thank you, sir.
Don't like it.
Oh no.
Oh, now that's cool. I need that. And the fire pistol, idiotic. What is this for? Oh, what? It's you. It's just a tiny. I know. I hate that. I hate that. Now when I have. I know I have that.
Yeah, it's Hex Hope Devour.
Yep.
Nate could have hit that totem.
That's what I have. That looks nicer than the. I don't know.
Run, Nate, run!
What weapons do I have for Dark Knight
He's
here?
gonna get you! Whoop. Oh, good swing. She's faking him out by pretending to go to the windows.
Ooh.
He's gonna get you though. Oh, he got her. He yonked her good.
Nope. I do have my Inferno Faustar here. But it just does not look good. This Flame-Kissed Odachi, though, looks great.
I don't know what this Mikaela is doing.
It is on fire, it is orange.
Mikaela, you're bringing him right to her. Oh, good palette. But still, you're bringing him right to her.
Thing's fucking huge. Nope. Nope. Weird. Seems
And
like,
she's down.
what the fuck?
I think Naya's given up because the other lady isn't going to save her. And he just knocked down Mikaela.
Alright, there is only one option, and that is this.
What are you doing?
Apply the glamour,
Go
please.
save Naya. Wow, they just let her die.
Unfortunate. I think I can make my thing better.
Woo! Swing and a miss. Yep, figured she was gonna get hit. Now Mikaela's gonna get smack-a-doodle. Oh, it's her final hook. She's dead. Mikaela, run! Hide! Nope, she's been found. Nope. 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 He's reading it. He's reading it. He knows your moves, Missy. Oh, you failed, dude. She's done. Is he looking for the basement? Or is he gonna be nice and give her the hatch? Oh, he's giving her the hatch.
Let's go.
What a nice LeatherFace. Lady, leave. I don't think she can adjust herself. There she goes. Took her a minute.
Yes. That actually looks great.
Ooh, do I get my jump scare? Gimme! Where is he? Where's my jump scare man? There he is. Hello, sir. God, he's ugly.
Yep, that's it. That's it right there. That looks great. Dye that shit. Apply that shit. Save that shit. And then the portrait that I just fixed. Reset.
I don't know where he is, Fang.
There we go.
Yeah, he's after Nick.
So I didn't realize this had secondary color channels, and this looks great. This looks great. Wow. Then we pose up. Oof. Oh baby. Oh baby. That looks amazing. Cool. Okay. I know what to do.
Oh God, he's right there.
I do not know what to do.
Mr. Hillbilly man.
I do not know what to do.
I'll do this, Jen. Picked up Fang.
I do not know what to do.
Oh, he's above me.
I am not full. Okay, I'm full on those. So I do have to start spending those. But on what?
Oh, they saved her.
I'm gonna teleport back to solution 9. A Paisa Patissier. Ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Ba-ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, ba-ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-dum, da-dum, ba-da. Ba-ba-bum, bum, bum, bum. Ba-ba-bum, bum, 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 bum. Ba-ba-bum,
Hi, Nancy.
bum, bum, bum.
Nancy!
Air brake coolant. Okay, so that's where that goes.
Fucking
Oh,
Nancy.
dying.
Oh, hi, Nick. Thanks for bringing him to us.
But I can only craft the Archaeo Kingdom Gunbreaker, or not Gunbreaker, Dark Knight.
You have fun
I
with that, Nancy.
Can't do
I'm not
that.
even gonna.
Can't do that. So I need to get my other crafting classes up to 100. So I think what we do
Nick is down. Oh.
is we go down the list now. You are still dying.
I'm still dying.
Thing is, though, I don't need purple scripts anymore. At least I don't think so. Hold on. Let me go see what I can buy with purple scripts. Don't really need any of this. These are all just that. I don't need none of that. Got all the master recipes, so we don't need that. Don't need that. Yeah. Literally don't need any of that. I have all these songs. I do need to collect all this, though. So I do need to get gatherers up, but yeah, I have no use for purple gatherer scripts. I only need the orange ones. So they'll just probably go to materia, and then I'll just sell the materia off. I have no use. Anyway, collectibles. Where's my crafting?
Ow, sir.
Custom deliveries.
He kicked my den.
Alright, collectibles. Ginseng lumber and snow cotton cloth. Cool, we can do that. Both of those are botanist collectors. That'll be that. And that's easy, and I got 5,000 of those.
Oh, they used my palette.
We can
Damn
do
it.
that. We can definitely do that. Yeah. Let's go collect things then. We are going to need a lot XP. How much do you give for the ginseng earrings?
Nice, guys. Nice. Yeah, fuck it.
Was that 1.9 mil? 2. Yeah, 1.9 mil. So 2 mil per.
Get the door open, Nancy.
8, 10, 12, 14, 16.
Shit, he's on his way. Hurry, Nancy, hurry, Nancy, hurry, Nancy. Don't leave it, Nancy! You fucking idiot!
So 5 of these gets me a level.
Oh yeah, he
6
wants my
just
booty.
get-
Son of a...
Well, I mean, actually, that's just base level. 5 of these.
Fuck you,
So-
Nancy!
5. The only thing is, I don't know what the amount is.
Oh, why did you... Fast fault, Nancy. Okay, I'm running.
Excuse me. Oof.
You tried, sir. Teehee. I got out.
Let's switch to culinarian right quick.
I left.
13, 15, okay. I think it's probably be 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. 1391, 1592, 1793, 1994, 2195.
Oh, Nancy got out.
2396. 20. I'm just gonna have to make a lot. That's the long and short of it. I'm just gonna have to make a lot.
Just run.
So let's just gather 1,000.
Run, Fang.
Botanist. Thing is, though, I also need to upgrade you.
Nick is stupid. Bang, you better get out.
Yeah. Let's hit the return. I want to see.
Oh, Nick, why? Okay, he made it out. Jesus, that was a close call for him.
Hillbilly, gaming queen. She's got moves you've never seen. Yeah. With a joystick in her hand, she's crushing levels, taking command.